Hi, everyone. Thank you for watching. You don't know. You don't really know why someone said or did something or behaved in a specific way. And rather than admitting that you don't know and being satisfied with not knowing, instead, we judge them. And we don't want to be all right with not knowing because inherently our bodies are kept safe and alive because of the accumulation of data. And the brain is a processor, it's not a reasoner, it's not rational. So the brain will always do its best to organize and sift data to make sense, to compartmentalize. So when they don't make sense, the brain fills in the space. And when the brain doesn't know, it'll shift the focus off of itself, off of its own ignorance, and it'll shift it onto the behavior of the person or the situation of which it has no control. And this is the action of blame. All blame shifts the focus off the self, which is all there is under control, and then moves it onto something that's not within its control. And this is threatening because it shifts the focus out of the only thing that it can control, and it leaves it abandoned. It leaves us abandoned. And that when we are left abandoned, that threatens our livelihood. Your job is to know yourself. That's your only job. And your job will never be to know the reasons behind someone else's behavior or choices. That's their job. Take responsibility for the only job you have. You. Pay attention to the only thing you know, which is you. Live deliberately. Subscribe. Hit the thank you thumb. Namaste.